as few as 2 aircraft to as many as, in this case, 5, but in many situations, multiple aircraft flying in formation, performing their respective mission. We're going to extend the turnaround for the moment as we allow the next 2 of our CAL FIRE tankers to depart the area and head over to the Temecula area, doing what they do best, fighting the fire. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you for coming out to the air show and supporting your resource, which is the Hammett Ryan Airport. This is exactly why this airport is here. Among other things, a base for one of the 12 CAL FIRE squadrons throughout California. This is what they do, and this is why your support of your community resource is so appreciated. Now, I can direct your attention directly in front of you at the Airshow Center stage. The 5 Red Eagle aircraft in the VIC, or the V formation, are re-entering the Airshow Center stage. On command from Red Eagle number 1, the smoke will come on, and as they approach the Airshow Center stage area again, ladies and gentlemen, have your cameras ready, because something spectacular is about to take place with all 5 of these aircraft. On command from Red Eagle number 1, that is Andrew Webb. He is flying the lead aircraft today. The 5 aircraft are going to pitch up and away in the bomb burst break. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is now where the pilot's judgment of relative motion, airspeed, and precision control comes into play.
Hold up the seats.